The Scarce Resources theme at University of South Australia is looking to answer one big question: how do we eliminate waste in this state? In South Australia, we've established ourselves as leaders in renewable energy generation. At times we generate up to 50% of our energy requirements from renewable technology. Our researchers are working along with the community to continue this proud tradition. We're rediscovering the lost art of recycling and finding new ways for our state to sustainably flourish. For example, we can take old materials such as concrete, grind them up and add other waste materials such as shredded tyres and produce a new, far greener concrete. Toxics and other dangerous materials such as plastics can be transformed into new materials which industry can safely use. It's about building a circular economy from waste, creating more jobs and new industries. Our researchers work across disciplines, so we have a holistic approach to this challenge. There are so many ways that we can restore, protect and optimise our resources. What we discover here in South Australia really can change the world.